Japan's next Prime Minister, Sanae Takaichi, follows Thatcher's example as she breaks barriers in Japanese politics. Hundreds of trekkers, trapped by a sudden snowstorm on Mount Everest in Tibet, are finally rescued safely. A deadly Russian airstrike hits Ukraine, killing 5 people and damaging key power stations across the region. Israel and Hamas move closer to peace talks in Egypt as both sides prepare for possible Gaza ceasefire discussions. A U.S. federal judge stops the Trump administration from sending National Guard troops to Oregon for now. Heavy rains and landslides destroy several Nepalese villages, killing at least 44 people and leaving many missing. Violent protests calm down after a peace deal is reached in Pakistan-administered Kashmir, bringing relief to the region. India's women's cricket team beats Pakistan in the World Cup, but a disputed dismissal leaves tension high and no handshakes. New Zealand agrees to pay Samoa $3.6 million for a Navy ship that sank near its shores last year. Immigration agents in Chicago are using helicopters and chemical sprays, raising concerns about rising aggression in operations.